Hi, my name's Mallory, and welcome to the Mosca Minute, a brand new segment presented by EAM-Mosca to make sure that you're up to date on the latest and greatest in company news, industry insights, and anything else that you need to achieve nonstop performance. We're here to keep you in the loop. You'll hear it from the team that's powering the solutions that you rely on. Stay connected, stay informed. Welcome to the Mosca Minute. The fresh produce industry is a $96 billion industry and is expected to surpass $127 billion by 2030. With this rapid growth comes an increasing demand for efficiency, consistency, and product protection across the supply chain to ensure that the loads of fresh produce arrive to its destination intact and ready for sale. So, how do we secure these loads for transit? Reisopack automatic strapping machines are designed to meet challenges and common pain points head-on, helping growers, packers, and distributors secure loads and pallets of fresh produce with speed, precision, and reliability you can count on. Reisopack positions businesses to keep pace with the industry's expansion, while maintaining the highest standards of packaging and food safety. Today, we'll be talking with our resident expert, Lawrence Herscher, to give you more insight on this topic.
Good morning, Mallory. How are you?
I am great. How are you?
Good, thank you. My name is Lawrence Herscher. I'm the Business Director, Americas for Movitech and Reisopack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. First things first, what is Reisopack?
Reisopack, founded in 1992, now part of the global Mosca Group, is a strapping systems manufacturer. And they've been at it for quite a few years now, and they have tailored their solutions to really focus on the produce industry. And they've become the benchmark in the field.
So what are some common problems that you see producers having?
There are a lot of them, but major points are definitely the shortage of labor and throughput limitations due to manual processes that result in unstable loads that could damage in transit, add cost to the overall process.
So how can we solve these issues?
Even though I'd say space a lot of times is an issue, right, and the throughput, we have several tailor-made options that really cater to that depending on the throughput that's required, right? Important aspect always is the set tension. So regardless if you start off with an entry-level semi-automatic strapper or have a fully automatic system, you can always have the same tension on the bottom of the load or the top of the load at any strap, anytime.
So what are the benefits of using the Reisopack machine compared to the alternatives currently on the market?
A major benefit is that we have designed a fully automatic corner board applicator that is part of the machine. So you can run the entire strap cycle with the push of a button, whatever program you need, and it will strap as many straps you define and integrate the corner boards fully automatically. Plus, we have also solutions where you don't even need conveyors, right? A lot of times space is really scarce in produce environments, and here we have designed solutions that increase your throughput even further, but without the need of conveyors.
So in terms of consumables, what do you usually see in the industry? And then also, what do you recommend for the Reisopack machines?
Our clear recommendation for all applications regarding load securing is polyester strapping, PET. That is because of the characteristics of the low elongation and the memory characteristics, plus the strength of the material. And that is superior to what we see out there is polypropylene, which has a high elongation. It will always go out and lose tension rather easily. Or, of course, we see a lot of film applications that do not really provide load integrity because of the inferior containment forces that are being exerted.
So how can technology and automation be leveraged without sacrificing quality?
Utilizing Reisopack equipment helps you streamline your operations, coming from a highly labor-intensive manual process to an automated one. You can add on aspects like fully automatic corner application into that process, And by that, you increase the quality of your load and reduce any other aspects that may lead to damaged goods later in transit, right? And of course, by the way, improve the throughput capabilities. Another important aspect when looking at a Reisopack solution is the system. It's key to understand that it's not only the machine, but it's also the consumable, the service, and the spare parts, and all of that comes from one hand. The improvements in the process also lead to an improved load integrity. That means you have a higher quality of the loads that are being transited from point A to point B. And you can do that because with any Reisopack machine, you can set the tension with which it needs to get strapped. Using a fully automatic system such as a Reisopack 29 series model, you really have the aspect where you can drop the load in any given position or have the machine integrated into a line, and just with the push of a button, have the machine carry out the program that's desired with the corner board applicators or not.
So I'm interested in a Reisopack machine now. What happens next?
So first of all, you need to get in touch with us, which is very easy. You can either do that online via a website, inquiry form, or reach out via phone if you have a phone number, meet us at any of the conventions or trade shows that we participate, and really just get in touch. Once you've established that, we will make sure your inquiry will reach the right person to get back to you, get in touch with you, understand your application that you really need, and do an assessment, and consequently, give you a solution that fits your need.
Are you ready to learn more? Head over to our website and chat with a representative to find the right solution for your applications.